we're gonna be doing a multi-service. We're gonna be doing some blonding in the front, some face framing, some brightness around the face. And then we're gonna be covering up her gray with Lumi10. She has about 20% gray sprinkled all over her hair. And she's a starting level, I would say level number 4. Stay tuned for the answer. Set timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes and counting.
And there you have it, a multi-service. So we did a gorgeous face framing with covering up her grays in half of the processing time.